Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix payment decline error on iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and you are trying to buy anything from your iPhone using the payment method, but you're facing the issue with this payment declined or your payment has been declined, so let's see some possible fixes for this. You just have to go back from here and you have to check for your network connection. That you have a stable and the strongest network connection. It might be Wi-Fi or cellular data. You can also try to switch between your Wi-Fi or cellular data, or you can try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then go back from here and open your settings app. Go to general and go to VPN device management, and you just have to make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting a VPN, and you have to go to software update section and just try to update your software. So after updating your software, you have to go back and here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to make a forced restart with your iPhone. Now to do that, you have to quickly press on this volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you just have to unlock your phone. And here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to go ahead to your app store. And here just tap on the profile option in the top right. And then select your Apple ID from here. Now here you must start to verify yourself using your Face ID or your Apple ID password. Now here you have to select manage payments and you have to try to remove your payment method. After removing your payment method, you have to go back and tap on your country or region option here, and you have to try to select your own country or region in which you are living, or the country or region for which you're using your payment method. So for example, I'm going to select this one from here. After selecting your country, you have to tap on this continue option and then tap on agree in the top right. Now here you have to retry to add your payment method. If you don't have any payment methods, you can select this none option. But if you want to add your payment method, you have to add your payment method there. Then add your billing address, your phone number, your name, and after all, just tap on the done option in the top right, and your payment method will be re-added. So after re-adding, your all setting will be uploaded to your payment method. So it might fix your issue, but if you're still facing the same issues, there's the only way. You have to simply open your Apple Store app. You can easily install this app from your App Store, or you can use Apple Store app. Select iPhone from here, select subscriptions and purchases, and you have to select enable to purchase option from here, and then just scroll down and look for get more help, then tap on calls. After that, you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.